Okay, this is the SAT math problem with consecutive odd integers. It says if x and y are positive consecutive odd integers where y is greater than x, which of the following is equal to y squared minus x squared? Okay, so we're talking about consecutive odd integers. You could have integers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. All those are consecutive odd integers. 1 and 3 are consecutive, 3 and 5. So any of those could be. The difference is 2. So if x, let's say x is one of them and y is greater than x, so the next one would be x plus 2. So we could say that this here is y. Y is greater than x. So the difference is 2, since they're consecutive odd integers. And so if we replace y with x plus 2, and we square that, and then we subtract the x squared, we could find out that x squared plus, if we multiply that out, you're going to get x squared plus 4 minus x squared. And you're going to see, in this case, the x squares cancel out, and you're going to see that 4x plus 4 would be your answer. So that means that the answer is E. Now, there is another way of doing this problem. We have some students that prefer to substitute numbers or sub-numbers in here for x and y. So they say, what if y was 3 and what if x was 1? Then you would have 3 squared minus 1 squared if we're doing y squared minus x squared. Then that would have to equal to 9 minus 1, that's 8. So then if x is 1 and all the answers are in terms of x, we could say if x is 1, this would be 2, this would be 4, this would be 4, and right here you would have 6, and 4 plus 4 you would have 8. And since we're trying to get an answer of 8, then that would lead you to the answer. This is another way of doing this. Let's call this method B, by substitution or by subbing numbers. And we could say method A is the algebra method, method A. And then you might comment on this video, see which one you prefer, either method A or method B.